Reddit enthusiasts! Today, we're going to go through a quick and easy guide on how to customize your Reddit experience by changing the default comment sorting. In just 1 minute, you'll have your feed set up exactly how you like it. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. For the best experience, check that you're using the latest version of the app to access all the current features. Once you're on the homepage, look up to the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. A menu will appear. Scroll through it and find the Settings option, which is typically represented by a gear icon or 3 vertical dots. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. In the Settings, scroll until you find an option called Default Comment Sort. Tap on this, and you'll see a list of options like Best, Top, New, and More. Choose the one that best fits your browsing style. And that's it! You've just customized your default comment sorting on Reddit. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.